Hi, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a shadow text effect in Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the text style. I've already made it. First I'm gonna select the middle text layer, then go to effect control panel. Here you can see rectangle masked. Click it on a rectangle mask, then move with the mask area, then increase the mask feather value. Then hit the inverted option. Now here you can see the shadow has applied. I will select Premiere Pro text layer, then repeat the same process. Increase the mask feather value and hit the inverted option. I guess I will increase the mask feather value so it looks more visible. Now you will see the entire shadow effect. I wanna change the text color here. After applying the all effect, I will create some animation here. Press shift on this keyboard and move 5 frames forward. Move with the text layer on this point. Now I will again press shift on this keyboard and move it 5 frames forward. Now go to the effect panel. Here is the text animation preset. I will apply the effect on this 3D layer. Now if I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To get more interesting editing related video like this, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so that our next video is out.